Hello, how's everyone doing out there? In this video, we are looking at ratios, talking about some tables. And this one's specifically on ratio language. So Miss T is building 3 tables that are each 20 inches wide. She needs 5 pieces of wood for every 20 inches the table is wide. And the question says, what is the ratio of wood that she needs per the width of the table? Now that order there is really important. We're talking about pieces of wood to table width. Okay, so that's the first thing that you should be writing out is what we need and what our order is. Well, let's get some information from our problem. It says that I need 5 pieces of wood for every 20 inches the table is wide. So I can write this down as 5 pieces of wood for every 20 inches the table is wide. And I'm not going to write my units because they're the same up above. Now, in the first sentence, it says here that I'm building 3 tables. So if I need 3 tables, so I can just multiply both of these by 3, right? Now, that's for 1 table, but for 3 tables, it would be 15 to 60. And those are the same. If we reduce this by dividing it by 3, we would end up with 5 to 20. And I'm looking at my answer choices, and I don't see either of those. I don't see 5 to 20. I don't see 15 to 60. So that tells me here that I can reduce this fraction, this ratio right here, probably into some simpler terms. So let's see. 5 and 20. They can both be divided by 5. In fact, their greatest common factor is 5, and I'm just going to write that. I can divide both of them by 5. Divide this one by 5. And I can make a note here, GCF. And if you don't remember GCF, go take a look at another video on GCF to help us find that. And 5 divided by 5, any number divided by itself is 1. So I need 1 piece of wood, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. I need 1 piece of wood for every 4 inches the table is wide. And now I'm looking at my choices, and that choice is there. So you can even think, well, this doesn't make sense because we need 5 pieces of wood for every 20 inches. Okay, this one doesn't make sense because when we divide 20 by 5, we don't get 5, we get 4. And this one I think just uses some other numbers from the problem, 3 and 5. That one's just there to trick you if you're not reading it closely. But the final answer is for every 1 piece of wood, I can make 4 inches of table. So the ratio is 1 to 4. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.